Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first this evening, the driver of this coaster bus seen here in a picture which has gone viral has been apprehended and the bus seized. There's been widespread condemnation as it's felt that drivers of public passenger vehicles continue to break the law, putting the lives of many at risk. But as we found out, they're not the only ones making illegal turns in areas designated for pedestrians. Now, Janella, you are on Constant Spring Road today.
First of all, I know that you just said seen here, but people are going to see that bus that we're speaking about in my story. Now, Archie, the National Works Agency, NWA, has come under fire for not making enough provisions for pedestrians in areas where roadworks are taking place. Now, since then, pedestrian crossings have been painted where there are gaps in the medians, but motorists are now using the space.
It didn't take long after we set up to see the first violator. And after that, it continued. From taxis to private motor cars and motorcycles, the pedestrian crossing along this section of Constant Spring Road has become an undesignated U-turn for traffic heading north and south. And in many instances, there's little regard for persons traveling on foot. We put the issue to National Works Agency Communications Manager Stephen Shaw.
This is not our intention to have the area open the way it is now. But of course, we had to remove that section of the median. That was always the intention. We are going to be putting physical impediment in the middle of that opening, and it will be there to allow pedestrians to go through, but certainly it will be a deterrent to operators of motor vehicles.
What Mr. Shaw is referring to are called bollards, which look like these. We wanted to know how soon they will be erected.
For starters, we are going to be putting in temporary ones. We have some movable barriers that we are going to be putting in these areas. And of course, the permanent facilities will be built from the ground up in these openings. And we expect that these will commence very soon.
The police are warning that action will be taken against persons caught making the illegal turn, just like the bus driver on Wednesday. In a tweet, the JCF reported that he was being questioned while the bus was removed from the road to allow the Transport Authority and the police to conduct further investigations. But still, watch as the police give way to a motorcyclist making the illegal turn. Meanwhile, the JCF is asking members of the public to continue sending images and videos of motorists breaching the Road Traffic Act to the PSTEB tip line at 876-591-5671.